Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to give complete explanation of multiple job opportunities from all over India. Before going there, just subscribe and like my channel. Visit our channel. I'm just providing multiple job opportunities. Let's go to the page. Software engineering from Hexagon started their hiring from the location Telangana, Hyderabad. So this is all the education qualification. Bachelor degree, all can apply for this role. Any one languages like C, Java or Python or C is anyone is preferred here. So mention here itself, guys. They provide every kind of roles and skill set what you should have. They mention here itself. SQL is main here. So learn SQL as much you can quickly. Their company websites. And next one going to be a C++ developer from Pune from all over India, which they started their hiring in. Credit issue started their hiring for freshers. BE, Tech, ME, Tech all can apply for this role. This is what the freshers they can start apply here and start work there in Pune Electronic Cities. And the next one going to be an system engineering from Maharashtra, Pune started their honeywell hiring for the freshers, which they mentioned here itself. For the freshers they can apply for this role. Key set everything they can mention. BE, Tech, ME, Tech all can apply for this role, guys. Bachelor and degree all branches can apply for this role. If you have any doubt, comment me. And the next one going to be you're going to apply in first Naurkri. So I'll put a link in the description how to create a first Naurkri account. Watch that and start create account and start apply training engineer role from Bangalore Electronic Cities. 3-year bond they mentioned here. BE, Tech, mechanical and aeronautical all can apply for this role. Here they mentioned BE, Tech, any graduate can apply for this role, guys. So start apply. .NET as said from DAILYJOBS, which you have seen already. Telangana location from freshers, which they are expecting. Only freshers level to 8 PM and Hyderabad BE, Tech, ME, Tech, communication skill, understanding, develop. So these are all the key skills which they mention here, guys. And next one will be Nokia graduates started their hiring through LinkedIn portal. Just to create account in LinkedIn and start apply here. If you have any doubt here, just comment me. Just want to upload your resume and you just want to apply here, which you just want to start apply, sign in and start apply, guys. If you have any doubt regarding, comment me. So I'm just providing 5 to 6 minutes per day. If you have any doubt, just comment, guys. Once again I'm requesting. Thanks for watching.